Hey YouTube, this is Barney with Dry Creek Homestead. So today I am at my off homestead job, the one I use to pay for homesteading. So anyway, so I farm for a living. I farm a guy's property. So today I'm out harvesting soybeans. I'm getting ready to get in the combine and go. And so I'm going to show you a little bit of that process and how it works. Now, let me turn the camera around here. So this is a Cloth 750 combine that we're using, and so every day we got to blow it off, blow all the chaff off it because it builds up a lot, especially right there on top of the feeder house in front of the header. So it's already been blown off. I checked the engine oil. We got the fire extinguisher. Very important on a combine. Anyway, it's a little dirty because we've been running. So anyway, the cab's a little dirty too because I've been living in it the last couple of days. Anyway, so we'll start it up and see what she does. It's kind of hard to see the screen with the sun, and take a rag, kind of wipe some of the dust off it. There we are. So we gotta, I don't know how well you can see this highlighted icon. I gotta change it over to where the crop is. Alright, getting ready to unload the first load of beans out of the combine. So sorry about the camera work. I'm trying to maneuver the combine and hold the camera at the same time. This is probably about as much fun as watching paint dry, I'm sure. So in case you're wondering, one semi trailer will hold, about 850 bushels of soybeans. So let me retract the auger here. But anyway, yeah, I'm sorry about the camera work. Kind of hard to actually drive the combine, push all the buttons and drive the camera at the same time. So, well, I'm gonna put this down because my wife just showed up with my lunch. So, all right, I'll see you in a little bit. Well, folks, it's 9 o'clock. I probably got another couple hours to go before I actually finish this field, so we're still riding the combine. Sorry, it's going to be a late night for me, so y'all enjoy being able to go to sleep, and I got to go crawl back in the combine. I just had to stand up so I could stretch a minute. But anyway, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. We thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.